Sound effects masterclass with Annie and Austin. Yeah! Don't try this at home.
I'll do, whatever.
So we're going to start with...
You got your phone?
Yeah. We're going to start with the ruffling of when the box opens for Hannah when she gets her present of the camera. What you need is a bag, preferably a Topshop bag, because they make good noises and it's good quality, yes? You need voice memos on your phone, or if you have a microphone, use that, good quality. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Let's play that back. Part 2. How to make a door slam. Wait.
There's going to be a bit of door slamming, Mum. Don't be scared.
We're trained professionals. Go.
We can do different doors. Come on. Let us go. This is Annie's house. Her humble at the moment, I'm stuck. Door number 2. Wait.
Door 1. Go. Perfect. The sound effect of smashed glass. We have some hot tikka jars and we have our thick Topshop bag that we are going to use.
There's a wine bottle.
And a wine bottle. This is done by trained professionals with a specially equipped bag. Do not try this at home.
Walking into the garden because I have cats and they kill mice a lot.
Okay, let's go.
And here we have sound effect number 2.
Hold me closer, tiny dancer. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh,
I'm going to break my stones. Do you want a sledgehammer?
We got a hammer.
Should I go look for a hammer?
Right. We'll be back in a second. We're just going to find a hammer. Right. We couldn't find a hammer, but we found some pliers, and they're rusted, and they look like a serial killer has used them. This could be good as mise en scène. Remember, don't try this at home. 1, 2, 3. And then, now it's smashed. Right, we have a wine bottle in here now. And again, do not try this at home. Annie, there is the recorder. Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! That was a good sound.